The Nothing Phone 3, an upcoming smartphone from the innovative London-based tech company Nothing, is making waves on the internet with its unique design and feature-rich Android skin. A few days ago, Nothing's CEO Carl Pei stirred excitement by sharing a sneak peek of a redesigned quick settings panel for Nothing OS 3 on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter. In the shared image, a mysterious extra button appeared below the power button on the showcased phone, sparking speculation. This new button is said to resemble the action button found on iPhones. While the exact function of this new button remains unclear, rumors suggest it will be highly customizable. Users might be able to configure it to perform various tasks, such as turning on the flashlight, launching specific apps, or even activating AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Given the extensive customization options already available in Nothing OS, this action button would be a seamless addition to the Nothing Phone 3. Although detailed specifications of the upcoming phone are scarce, industry whispers indicate that the Nothing Phone 3 could be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This chipset is a slightly underclocked variant of the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, promising robust performance and efficiency. Nothing has been making waves with its recent audio products, the Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear, a wireless earbuds. These earbuds feature integrated ChatGPT capabilities, but this functionality is currently exclusive to users connecting the earbuds with a Nothing phone. This integration showcases Nothing's commitment to blending advanced AI features with their user-friendly ecosystem. If you analyze everything that Nothing is doing, you'll see a strategy similar to Apple's. Nothing is trying to build its own tech ecosystem, where using multiple Nothing devices together provides the best experience. The tech community is eagerly awaiting more details about the Nothing Phone 3. With the potential introduction of a customizable action button and a powerful new chipset, Nothing is poised to deliver another impressive addition to its lineup. Stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel as Nothing continues to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation. So what are your thoughts about this latest development? Do you think Nothing will become the next Apple? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.